Imagine standing amidst a lush rainforest, the calls of tropical birds echoing in the canopy above while a kaleidoscope of butterflies flutters around, each wing beat weaving you deeper into the vibrant tapestry of Costa Rica. This is a place where volcanoes stand regally under the vast Central American sky, their craters cradling serene lakes or spewing playful plumes of steam. In this land, every path seems to promise an adventure, and every sunset whispers the possibility of another day in paradise. Costa Rica, a jewel of biodiversity and culture, extends a warm Pura Vita, welcome to all who venture onto its shores and into its heart. Costa Rica, a small yet magnificently varied country, is nestled between Nicaragua to the north and Panama to the south. It boasts coasts on both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, making it a land of diverse geographical landscapes. From misty cloud forests and imposing volcanoes to stunning beaches and abundant wildlife, this Central American nation is a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. This dichotomy of environments provides a myriad of ecosystems, each with its own unique flora and fauna. With 25% of its land protected as national parks or wildlife reserves, Costa Rica stands at the forefront of conservation efforts, embracing its role as a guardian of nature. Costa Rica's commitment to environmental preservation is not only evident in its landscapes, but also in its cultural ethos. The country abolished its army in 1949, redirecting its resources to education, healthcare, and environmental protection, reinforcing a national identity deeply connected to peace and nature conservation. Nestled in the Central Valley, San Jose, the capital city of Costa Rica, pulses with the vibrant energy of its people and their rich cultural heritage. This bustling metropolis, often overlooked in favor of the country's natural attractions, offers a blend of historical architecture, robust cultural institutions, and dynamic nightlife. A visit to the Central Market provides a sensory overload with vendors selling everything from exotic fruits and vegetables to handicrafts and traditional costumes. The market not only serves as a hub for local commerce, but also as a living museum of the Costa Rican way of life, with its lively atmosphere and rich assortment of goods. Beyond the market, the city's museums and theaters, such as the National Museum and the National Theater, offer further insights into the nation's history and artistic contributions. San Jose is not just a stopover, but a deep dive into the soul of Costa Rica, revealing layers of history and modernity coexisting in harmony. High above the swelter of the lowlands, Verde stands as one of the most revered cloud forests in the world. This enchanting realm, often shrouded in a gentle mist, supports an incredible diversity of wildlife and plant species, some of which are found nowhere else on the planet. The forest is best experienced through its network of hanging bridges, which allow visitors to walk among the treetops, gaining a bird's-eye view of this verdant paradise. The sensation of walking through the clouds with only the sounds of nature as companions is an ethereal, unforgettable experience. Aside from its natural beauty, Verde is also known for its conservation efforts and the sustainable tourism practices employed by local businesses and communities. These initiatives help to preserve the delicate balance of the cloud forest while supporting the local economy. The Arenal volcano, located in the northern part of Costa Rica, is one of the most iconic and active volcanoes in the world. Its perfect conical shape rises majestically above the surrounding landscape, offering a dramatic backdrop for the myriad adventure activities available in the area. Visitors to Arenal can experience a range of outdoor activities, from hiking on the various trails around the base of the volcano to soaking in the numerous hot springs fueled by the geothermal activity below. The surrounding rainforest and the lake also provide opportunities for wildlife watching, kayaking, and fishing. The Arenal volcano is not just a hub of natural beauty and adventure, but also a testament to the raw power of Earth's geology. It serves as a constant reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet, fascinating geologists and tourists alike. The province of Guanacaste, located in the northwestern corner of Costa Rica, is renowned for its dry tropical forest, sprawling savannas, and stunning coastline. This region offers a stark contrast to the lush, verdant jungles found elsewhere in the country. Guanacaste's beaches are some of the most beautiful in Costa Rica, with golden sands and crystal-clear waters that attract surfers, sunbathers, and nature lovers. Places like Tamarindo and Playa Hermosa not only provide perfect waves, but also vibrant communities with a laid-back lifestyle that epitomizes the Costa Rican Pura Vita. Inland, the savannas and dry forests host a different array of wildlife, including large populations of birds, and are crucial for ecological research and conservation efforts. The cultural heritage of Guanacaste, with its cowboy traditions and annual festivals, adds another layer of richness to the region's tapestry. The Caribbean coast of Costa Rica, particularly the province of Limon, is a world apart from the rest of the country. Here, the influence of Afro-Caribbean culture is palpable in the music, food, and language, offering a distinct vibe that can't be found in other parts of Costa Rica. Limon provides a mix of lush rainforests, palm-fringed beaches, and coral reefs teeming with marine life. Towns like Puerto Viejo and Cahuita are not only gateways to natural wonders such as the Cahuita National Park, but also centers of a rich cultural tapestry. Here, reggae beats fill the air, and the culinary scene features a blend of Caribbean and Costa Rican flavors. This region's history as a hub for the banana trade and its strategic geographic position have shaped its unique cultural and social dynamics, making it an essential part of Costa Rica's diverse identity. Costa Rican cuisine is a reflection of the country's agricultural bounty and cultural diversity. Staples like rice and beans are transformed in the local dish, gallo pinto, which is enjoyed across the country with variations that reflect the local flair. Beyond gallo pinto, Costa Rica offers a variety of dishes that highlight its coastal access and agricultural richness. Ceviche made with freshly caught fish, casado, a hearty plate of beans, rice, plantains, salad, and a choice of meat, and the ubiquitous tropical fruits like mango and pineapple offer a taste of the local palate. The country's focus on sustainability also extends to its food, with a growing emphasis on organic farming and locally sourced ingredients. This commitment is evident in the bustling farmers' markets and the increasing number of farm-to-table restaurants. Costa Rica is a global leader in conservation, with a network of national parks and reserves that cover more than a quarter of its territory. This dedication to preserving natural habitats has made Costa Rica one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. The diverse ecosystems of Costa Rica are home to a staggering variety of species, from the iconic sloth to the elusive jaguar. Birdwatchers can delight in spotting some of the more than 900 bird species that inhabit or migrate through the country, including the resplendent quetzal. Conservation efforts in Costa Rica are supported by both the government and local communities and are integral to the national identity. These efforts not only protect the natural heritage but also support ecological tourism, which is a significant part of the country's economy. Costa Rica is a playground for adventure enthusiasts. The varied landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for an array of exhilarating activities. Whether it's ziplining through the canopy of a lush rainforest, surfing the waves of the Pacific, or whitewater rafting down the rapids of the Pacuare River, Costa Rica offers an adventure for every thrill seeker. The thrill of ziplining originated in Costa Rica, making it a must-do for visitors. The experience of flying over the treetops, with a panoramic view of the forest floor below, is unmatched. Similarly, the country's rivers with their clear waters and challenging rapids make it an ideal location for rafting enthusiasts. These activities not only provide an adrenaline rush, but also a unique way to explore the natural beauty of Costa Rica, making them a cornerstone of the local tourism industry. Adventure tourism also plays a vital role in promoting environmental awareness and conservation through eco-friendly practices and educational experiences. The phrase Pura Vita, pure life, encapsulates the philosophy of Costa Ricans. It's a reflection of their optimistic spirit and a relaxed lifestyle, as well as a greeting or farewell. Understanding this phrase is key to appreciating the Costa Rican ethos and integrates deeply with their respectful and joyful approach to life. This cultural insight extends beyond mere words into the daily lives of Costa Ricans. It influences their approach to time, nature, and community, emphasizing a harmonious existence over a rushed or purely materialistic lifestyle. The Pura Vita lifestyle promotes enjoyment of life's simple pleasures, advocating for a balanced, healthy way of living. This cultural concept also influences how Costa Ricans interact with their environment and each other, fostering a community-oriented approach that is welcoming to visitors. It's a cultural invitation to slow down and savor each moment, which is particularly palpable in the more rural parts of the country. Traveling efficiently and respectfully through Costa Rica means understanding and adapting to the local customs and environmental ethos. Here are some practical tips. Always respect wildlife and natural settings by keeping a safe distance and not feeding animals. Dispose of waste properly, and support local businesses by purchasing local products and services. It's also beneficial to learn a few phrases in Spanish, as it opens up conversations and shows respect for the local culture. When it comes to transportation, renting a car might be advantageous for reaching more remote areas, but public transportation is quite reliable and economical for city travel. Lastly, considering the tropical climate, pack light, breathable clothing, and always carry a raincoat or umbrella. Sunscreen and insect repellent are must-haves, as well as comfortable walking shoes for the varied terrains of Costa Rica. As Costa Rica continues to be a prime destination for ecotourists, the challenge remains to balance tourism growth with environmental preservation. The country is already a pioneer in ecotourism, focusing on sustainable practices that minimize the impact on its rich biodiversity and support local communities. Future initiatives involve enhancing sustainable tourism infrastructure and expanding educational programs that teach visitors about the importance of conservation. These efforts are crucial for preserving Costa Rica's natural beauty and ensuring that it remains a vibrant destination for future generations. By supporting sustainable practices, tourists can help maintain the health of this paradise. As Costa Rica looks forward, the commitment of both locals and visitors to uphold and respect its environmental policies will be key to its enduring success as a top travel destination. This journey through Costa Rica offers a glimpse into a country that not only boasts a wealth of natural wonders, but also a vibrant culture and a forward-thinking approach to conservation and tourism. With each visit, travelers can discover new aspects of Costa Rica's beauty, contributing to and learning from this land of Pura Vida.